Hey there, fellow investors. This is Holly with StockWatchWeekly.com, and I'm here to fill you in on what happened in the investing world this week. It's been a busy week with markets rising and falling rapidly. Investors shouldn't worry too much about the turbulence, however, because much of it was caused by the European Central Bank's new stimulus program. When big programs like this are launched, markets can get a bit bumpy as investors take in all the developments. Speaking of the European Union, the euro has dropped to new lows against the US dollar. This should help the export market and spur business investment in Europe. Meanwhile, in the United States, the economic data reported this week was mixed but largely positive. The most recent JOLTs report showed nearly 5 million job openings, suggesting that the labor market remains strong. Household net worth also rose in the fourth quarter of 2014, with net wealth increasing by $1.5 trillion. This increase in wealth should help increase consumer spending. Markets still remain at all-time highs, so many investors are struggling to find value picks. But there's no need for you to worry. We've got several hot picks that you should consider adding to your portfolio. First up is Intel. The famed computer maker has fallen on some tough times. Sales of its industry-leading personal computer chips are dropping, in line with slowing sales of computers in general. More people are choosing to spend their money on mobile phones and tablets, rather than spending it on computers. Intel is about to launch a new set of mobile processors, however, that we believe will help the company gain market share in the mobile market. Speaking of the computer component industry, you should check out DataRam, one of the world's leading computer memory manufacturers. The company recently unveiled its expansion strategy, which will focus on consolidating and streamlining its sales channels and business operations. This should help the company cut costs and boost profits, which will result in big wins for investors. If you're looking for a hot tech stock, Livedeal is a great option. The NASDAQ is at its highest point in years, and many companies have likely reached their peak value, but we believe Livedeal has plenty of room to grow. Livedeal is focusing on increasing profit margins. The company will do so by expanding its modern everyday sales website and directly manufacturing products instead of relying on suppliers. This will help Livedeal cut out the middlemen. We know it's been a wild week, but with markets beginning to firm up again, we believe now is the right time to buy. This is Holly with StockWatchWeekly.com. Good luck and happy trading.